Yo guys, welcome back to a quick update on Tropical Storm Bonnie, which is not looking too hot right now. But this update is brought to you by Declan Storms 2. It's 65 miles an hour, moving west at 16 miles an hour. So it is expected to become a hurricane tonight, but honestly, I don't think it will become a hurricane. You see, I'll show you the convection. I'll tell you why it won't become a hurricane tonight, or maybe even tomorrow if it doesn't improve its structure, because its convection is just weakening like crazy. As you can see, here here is its convection, and you can see its convection waning because it's got a dry air problem right now. Intensity models, I think they're backing off a little bit, but they still want a category 1. So most of the models are literally doing this right now. So most of the models, they do want a category 1 and 2. Two models are hinting of a category 3 now, which is the HWRF and the European model. They both want a major hurricane out of this storm, but that's not going to happen. Just the upper ocean heat content's not there for this storm anymore, and all that. So I'm going to show you Bonnie shows radar. There we go. Radar for the system is alright. We don't know how many people this storm has basically killed. But if we go back onto the world map, basically Bonnie is probably one of the long tracking storms, because it literally went like this. So let me zoom out if I can. Okay, so it came off the coast of Africa like this. See, like this. So basically it was like this. So basically like this, and now it's going to be moving out towards sea like that. So basically, that is pretty long tracking, if you ask me. Because if it becomes a hurricane, that means then the Pacific will get more A's. It's like with Cesar Douglas. Cesar Douglas, when it became Cesar in the Atlantic in 1996, it formed here, became a tropical storm. It impacted Costa Rica, Nicaragua, and Honduras, and then crossed over successfully as a depression, and then it really rapidly intensified and became a category 4, became Douglas. So I'll show you the tropical tidbits real quick. Here is the satellite imagery of Tropical Storm Bonnie, which it's not looking too hot right now. Looking trash, to say. Not even minus 70 degree, not even minus 70 convection firing up here, to be honest with you. There is a spin over here which could try and be the center. So if the center relocates towards the north like that, basically it'll be in that convection. Basically this bit can break off by the storm, and this bit can get circular, and that means then basically it will, become a system basically. But there is an aircraft reconnaissance playing out for some odd reason apparently. This does look like a system, but that's not going to do anything. Current storms. They have Bonnie right now at 70 miles an hour, which is it's pretty reasonable, but also at the same time, it's not It does. This storm looks at least 50 miles an hour right now, maybe 45. Honestly, I know it may be a bit Polish and downgrading this storm like crazy, but upper ocean heat content's not there for this system. La Nina looks to be coming back a little bit. It is going like that a little bit. So it is staying how it is, but it is pointing a little bit down. So whether that rapidly goes down, we don't know. But yeah, anyway, that's all I've got time for you for today, guys. I'll leave you on some satellite imagery of tropical depression area right now, which is not looking pretty hot, but it is blowing up some convection. So anyway, I should see you all in tomorrow's video, hopefully when this storm makes landfall. The storm probably will be making landfall tomorrow, so yeah. Anyway, see you all in the next video. Peace and have a good day.